The Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, COCOMI, has accused Assam Rifles of partiality amid the ongoing conflict in Manipur. This allegation comes following a memorandum submitted to the Prime Minister by 10 Kuki MLAs, which COCOMI claims indicates AR's biased support towards certain factions. The conflict, which erupted on May 3rd last year, has claimed 15 lives and prompted the state government to request additional paramilitary forces due to security shortfalls. Despite the deployment of central forces including CRPF, BSF, CISF, ITBP, SSB, Jud Regiment and Gorkha Regiment, dissatisfactions with Assam Rifles persist. COCOMI's statement criticized the AR for allegedly worsening the situation by supporting narco-terrorists engaged in illegal activities such as poppy cultivation and border smuggling. The committee asserts that these actions reflect a fact of neutrality from the Assam Rifles. In contrast, several Kuki organizations including Kuki INP, ITLF and KOTU along with 10 Kuki MLAs have protested against the removal of Assam Rifles, advocating for their continued presence. These groups have submitted memorandums opposing the replacement of AR by another neutral central force.